2020, nearly 10 billion land animals were slaughtered for American appetites. And the average American eats about 280 eggs a year. And so the scale of production that we're going to be talking about today is simply massive. And it follows then that laws that govern the treatment of these animals have the potential to do a whole lot of good. Now, some people say, what about the Animal Welfare Act? Isn't that a federal law that has certain standards for the treatment of animals? But the thing is, farm animals are actually exempted from the Animal Welfare Act altogether. Indeed, they're exempted from the very definition of animal.